Multiple brands of eye drops, specifically artificial tears, are being recalled across the country following hundreds of reports of infections and even 3 deaths. The CDC and FDA now working nationwide to help combat the outbreak.
WENY Sam Shapiro spoke with a Guthrie doctor this afternoon to learn how the national issue is impacting us here in the Twin Tiers. Sam?
That's right, Renata and Nick. The severe eye infections are linked to eye drops, and the manufacturers issued a recall. But the drops are sold under multiple brand names, and some patients affected by the contaminated drops have reported losing their eyesight. Ezra Care and Delsum Pharma's artificial eye drops are being recalled after 68 reports of infections. The drops are linked to 8 reports of people losing their vision and 4 reports of surgical removal of the eye. Another 3 people have died. The eye drops are contaminated by a bacteria called Pseudomonas aeruginosa. While the source of the contamination is still under investigation, it's suspected that opened and damaged containers could be one reason. Guthrie Ophthalmologist Dr. Jonathan Manhard recommends what eye drop users in the Twin Tiers should be aware of.
I would be extra careful to make sure that that bottle looks like it's in good shape, that looks like it's relatively recent purchase. I wouldn't use something that's 6 months old. I think that making sure it doesn't say Ezra Care or Delsum Pharmaceutical, artificial tears on it would be a prudent thing to do at this time.
The affected eye drops were manufactured in India by Global Pharma Healthcare. For people that rely on these artificial tears, Dr. Manhard believes common eye drops sold at your local pharmacy are safe to use right now. He says products like Genteel are one alternative option that's not manufactured by Global Pharma.
The common manufacturers are pretty well vetted, and there have been no cases of this sort of thing happening recently with those common artificial tears.
He said if you have eye drops at home, you're going to want to check the label.
I think that some people might have bought these drops online. Some people, even were found to have gotten these at Costco, surprisingly enough. But it was those imported drops that seem to be the problem.
And now Dr. Manhard also told me what the early warning signs look like for these types of infections. And he says if eye drop users start experiencing discharge, redness, and worsening eyesight over time, they should get it checked out at their local ophthalmologist. Renata?